Hello everyone, I'm back with my second tutorial, and today we'll be seeing how to link CSS and Visual Studio Code. As I showed you before, I gained more experience or more knowledge, and today I'll be showing you how to link Visual Studio Code and CSS. And so as I told you, CSS is a code editor. It adds colors, outlines, borders, and different kinds of stuff. For example, like this. This is a random code. It's a CSS code. You can see that my border is 4 pixels solid gray border, and the radius is 15 pixels. The body shadow, the float left, the height, the padding, the margin, the width, and all the things in here are the CSS code. And as I told you, I'm not going to finish with this. It's just the beginning. I'll be showing you different stuff like making simple games, simple applications, how to combine all code editors and programming languages. So let's start our lesson. As I told you before, you will add a new file called index.html. That's the HTML. Then you start the code by putting the exclamation mark. It puts this to you can see this on the code. There you can see this code. So we'll be proceeding to how we can link CSS and Visual Studio. And then you write link. Then let's remove this. Wait, the code has been correct. So we go to the line and we write this, the less than. So we go to the line over here. Then we write this, the less than sign, then link. After that, you'll write this code, the rel style sheet, then space href, then css style, and this will do the thing. Now it will be your CSS and your HTML will be linked together. So this means you can write or you can modify anything you want by CSS. So let's proceed. For example, if we, as I showed you before, how we write any statement. I showed you this. Then you write hello with the text. After you type this, you'll go to the CSS, and we will see how you can do. So on my other videos I won't show you how to do CSS and HTML, CSS code, how to do the CSS code. I'll show you other times. CSS is a bit complicated and a bit wider topic, so I'll show you in my lesson 3 how we do different margins, as I showed you in my before minutes. So and the other videos I'll be showing you how to even link JavaScript after the CSS code. Thank you, stay tuned to my videos, I hope you like it.